guys, this is Grace and welcome back to my channel. So today, as the title suggests, we are going to be doing an Empties video. So personally, I love watching Empties video because I feel कि अगर आपने पूरा प्रोडक्ट यूज किया है then you have a pretty good knowledge about how it works for you, और तब जो आपके ओपिनियंस होते हैं वो काफी ज्यादा जेन्युइन होते हैं. एंड यूजुअली मैं मेरे एम्प्टीज बचा के नहीं रखती हूँ, बट ड्यूरिंग द लॉकडाउन काफी सारे प्रोडक्ट्स खत्म हो गए. इफ आई हैव डन अ रिव्यू ऑफ एनी ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स जो मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ, तो लिंक्स वुड बी आइदर इन द आई अबव और इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो. सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू चेक. सो आई हैव अ फीलिंग कि वीडियो शायद थोड़ा बड़ा हो सकता है, so please bear that in mind before we start. So let's start with the hair care because वो products काफी कम हैं. So the first product I have is this. This is from L'Oreal Professional. This is their Color Radiance and Protection Mask. It is specially formulated for colored hair, and I think this one worked really well. So I did not use it like a mask. I used it more like a conditioner. इसके साथ इसका shampoo भी आया है, which I'm not yet finished. And I had red hair. Usually red hair gets faded in between like 2 to 3 months, पर मेरे पे I think my red hair was red for around 5 to 6 months, so I think that it worked. But you have to keep in mind कि this is only and only going to protect your color. It is not going to make your hair tangle free or give it shine or anything. उसके लिए you need to use another product. But as far as their claim about protecting the colored hair, it was pretty true. Next is this one. This is from Kerastase. It is their serum therapy. So what is this? It is a 2-in-1 kind of a formula जिसमें दो अलग टाइप के सीरम है which are supposed to mix together and apply to your hair, and it is for extremely damaged hair. Now, to be very honest, this really did work, but considering the cost, I really don't think that this product made sense. It was a good product, don't get me wrong, but it was way too expensive. Like, I have tried so many other hair serums which have worked equally well, and they were not this expensive. So I think as good as this product was, you can definitely do without using this one. Next are my Dove conditioners. This is for their dryness care. Like I said in the Nykaa haul, in Pune you get hard water and you definitely need a good conditioner to make sure that you have a good hair texture. And I only trust Dove, and I have gone through I don't know how many of these. ये last की दो मैंने बचा के रखी थी just to show it to you guys. Now coming to my skincare, let's go in the order in which we usually apply it. So the first product is this one. This is from Roots and Herbs, and this is their facial cleanser. So basically this is your cleansing oil. So this is a 50 ml bottle, and you require a really small amount of this. And if you do as heavy makeup as I do, then it will last you for a good 6 months. I really liked it. This was a really good cleansing oil. It broke down my makeup really well. It even got rid of waterproof makeup, and I really liked it. I would not be purchasing this one because I already have a lot of makeup removers that I want to give a try. Next is this one. This is from the Face Shop, and this is their first serum. So basically this is the anti-aging formula, and this worked really well for me, but I would not be purchasing it because I have started using products only from the Indian skincare brand. So, but otherwise it was a really good product. It got absorbed in my skin really well. For detailed review, please check the description box. There will be a link for it. Next is this one. This is Pixi Glow Tonic. I absolutely love this one. It worked really well. Now Pixi is available in India, but it is shit expensive, so I'm not going to be purchasing this one. I actually got a replacement for this, that is from Dr. Shades, and I've been using it and it has worked really well for me. But it is a great product if you want to start using any glycolic acid based product, then I will definitely suggest this one. It has 5% glycolic acid. Next is this one. This is hyaluronic acid from Ordinary, and I absolutely love this one. It provided good amount of hydration. It was not sticky. It did not make my skin dry. I really love this one. Again, Ordinary is not easily available in India, so I don't think I'll be purchasing this one. But I am on hunt for a good hyaluronic acid. If you know any, kindly let me know in the comment section. Next is my vitamin C serum from Khadi. Now I used it up completely, and I just wanted to start using vitamin serum in my routine, so I picked this one. It had good reviews, and also it had a lot of other good ingredients. It does not have silicone, and it was paraben free, so I had really high hopes from this one. But unfortunately it did not work well for me. I could not see any kind of glow or anything after using this one. How I like to test product is after using it for some time, I discontinue it and I see if मेरे skin में कोई difference हो रहा है if I'm not using a particular product, and my skin pretty much, was the same even when I stopped using this. So I used it up completely, but this was definitely a skip. Next, coming to moisturizer is this one, which is Neutrogena Hydro Boost. I absolutely freaking love this one. It smells really good. I have completely emptied this one. This was my savior during the summers because this was the only thing जो मैं apply करती थी because it was just too humid to apply anything on my skin, and this provided all the necessary hydration. I absolutely love this one, but again, I would not be purchasing it because I am trying a lot more Indian brands. Next, for my oil, I completely used up this one. This is the Ordinary Rosehip Oil. This is the 100% organic cold pressed rosehip seed oil, and it worked, guys. It really worked. It did everything that a rosehip oil was supposed to do. Only problem is, अगर आप ये bottle 6 months में खत्म नहीं करते हो, it start getting rancid. So the moment you open it, you need to finish it off at 6 months. And honestly, if you use it continuously, like I did, 6 months में खत्म हो जाता है. Again, Ordinary is not available in India, and I am looking out for a good alternative for this one. But if you can get your hands on Ordinary products, these two are something which I will definitely suggest for you guys to have. The hyaluronic acid and the rosehip oil, they work beautifully, so please do give it a try. My next empty is this one. This is from Aroma Magic, and it is their activated bamboo and charcoal face pack. This is, I think, second or third tube that I have finished, and मैंने काट वाट के have completely finished it off. And I absolutely love this product. If you're looking for a good activated charcoal mask, you should definitely give this a try. It is pretty reasonable. This is for $4.75 and it will last you a long time. It works really well. It does not make your skin feel, stretchy or itchy. ऐसे कुछ नहीं होगा. You won't have any excess dryness of your skin or anything, but it is going to just get rid of all your excess oil and dirt and gunk from your skin. And every time I have used it, trust me, I feel like a good glow on my face, and I will definitely recommend this one. Moving on, this is ReVital Lift Night Creme Masks. This is the only anti-aging product that I have used, and I have to say that I completely love this one. It was not at all heavy. It did not break me out. It got absorbed in the skin in jiffy. Yes, it is a bit on the expensive side, but so are all the good anti-aging products which are currently available in Indian market, and this really did work very well. Since I have come this side of 30, I have started taking extra care of my skin, and this was the first product, and I have to say I completely loved it. This is a creme mask. What it means is you're supposed to take a bit extra and apply it on your face like you will apply a sleeping mask, and it really worked. So if you're also looking for good anti-aging cream, give this a try. This is a 50 ml tub, and it is legit going to last you for a good long time. My last two products are sort of random, which are these two. So this is your normal nail paint remover. This is from Maybelline. It is the Color Show nail color remover. It is enriched with vitamin E. I do not prefer to use straight up acetone because it is extremely drying on your nails, and this one did not dry me out. So this was a good nail paint remover. This is for 99 rupees. And if you have gel nail polish, this is not going to remove it, but for your normal nail paints, it works like a dream. And my last is this germanium oil from Aroma Treasures. I don't know how to describe this well, but I absolutely love this one. During the lockdown, the quarantine, when everybody was really stressed, I have literally used this up in my sense burner like crazy, and I have again ordered this one. So if you are in the market for good essential oil, definitely give this a try. If you're someone who believes in aromatherapy, then I think you should definitely buy few essence oil for yourself. Trust me, they do help you to calm down. So those were all the empties. अगर वीडियो थोड़ा लंबा हो गया है तो I'm really sorry. I actually try कि मैं ज़्यादा बकवास नहीं करूँ, पर मुझसे नहीं होता है. That being said, if you're stuck till end, then thank you so much. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then please don't forget to do and click on the bell icon so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. That's it from me, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye. Take care.